Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Maytag lid switch is probably one of the most overlooked components in your washing machine, but it plays a crucial role in ensuring your laundry gets done safely and efficiently. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Maytag lid switches, exploring why they're essential, how they work, and what to look for when you need a replacement. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a smoothly operating washing machine. Number 5. Washer lid lock from Maytag Whirlpool. Is your washer lid not locking? This replacement lid lock is the solution. It's designed to replace multiple part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit for your machine. This lid lock replaces several part numbers, including W10787836 and W10810403. It also replaces other related numbers. This makes it a versatile choice for various washer models. The package includes mounting screws and a base plate for easier and faster installation. You can quickly get your washer back up and running with minimal effort. This lid lock is compatible with Maytag Bravos XL, Whirlpool Cabrio, and Kenmore 600-700 series washers. It's designed to fit a wide range of models, ensuring broad compatibility. It fits models like WTW 7000DW, MVWB 755DW, and many more. This part ensures that the lid of your washing machine locks securely, providing safety and proper function. What we like? This lid lock includes mounting screws and a base plate, making installation easier and faster. It is compatible with a wide range of Maytag, Whirlpool, and Kenmore models. If you're looking for a hassle-free replacement with broad compatibility, you should consider this one. What people say? The part was an exact fit and fixed the problem. The lid switch was easy to install. The product works great. Number 4. Edgewater Parts 22001682 Washer Lid Switch. This is a replacement lid switch from Edgewater Parts. It is designed for top-load washers and includes a 4-amp fuse. This switch ensures your washer operates safely and efficiently. This lid switch is compatible with various Maytag washer models. It fits models like LAT, MAT, LA4, LA8, and LA9. Make sure it fits your model before purchase. This part replaces several other part numbers. These include WPW 22001682, 2 to 7168, and many more. This makes it a versatile replacement option. The Edgewater Parts lid switch is easy to install. It is a direct replacement for your old switch. You can quickly get your washer back up and running. Edgewater Parts offers a satisfaction guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied within the warranty period, you can request a refund. No questions asked. What we like? This lid switch includes a 4-amp fuse for added safety. It also comes with a warranty, offering peace of mind. If you value safety and want a product backed by a guarantee, you should consider this one. What people say? This part fit perfectly, it was a quick job to swap it out. The new lid switch has been working perfectly for the last month. It fit perfectly. 15 minutes to fix our 30-plus-year-old Maytag. Number 3. MAYITOP WP83180884 Washer Lid Switch. This lid switch is designed for reliable and consistent operation. It ensures your Whirlpool and Kenmore washers run smoothly and efficiently during every laundry cycle. This is a direct replacement part, making installation quick and easy. It's a perfect fit for your compatible washer models, saving you time and effort. The lid switch ensures the washer only operates when the lid is securely closed. This provides an added layer of safety for you and your family. Crafted with high-quality materials, this switch is built to last. It can withstand daily use, ensuring long-lasting performance and durability. Replacing your old switch with this one gives you peace of mind. You can trust that your washer will operate reliably, letting you focus on other things while your laundry is taken care of. What we like? This lid switch is designed for reliable and consistent operation, ensuring smooth laundry cycles. It's a direct replacement, making installation quick and easy. If you have a Whirlpool or Kenmore washer and need a dependable, easy-to-install part, you should consider this. What people say? Easy to install. Works perfectly. Easy to install. Works like it should. Exactly what was needed, easy to install. Number 2. Whirlpool Roper Estate Washer Lid Switch Kit. This washer lid switch is designed for easy installation, fitting perfectly into your existing machine. It's a direct replacement, so you can quickly get your washer back up and running. This kit is compatible with a wide range of Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, and Roper washers. It replaces multiple part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit for your specific model. Fixing your washer doesn't have to be expensive. This lid switch offers an affordable solution to common washer problems, saving you both time and money on costly repairs. Is your washer not starting, agitating, or spinning? This replacement lid switch can fix these issues. It's designed to address common symptoms, restoring your washer's functionality. Made from durable, high-quality materials, this replacement part meets or exceeds OEM specifications. It also includes a green grounding wire for added safety and reliability. We stand behind our products with a warranty and full refund service. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll provide a satisfactory solution. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This lid switch is designed for easy installation, fitting most popular washers. It is an inexpensive way to fix or repair a washer. If you are looking for a cost-effective solution to common washer problems, you should consider this. What people say. The part was an exact fit and the washer is working great. The part was easy to install and works perfectly. Fixed the problem. Number 1. Whirlpool Maytag Washer Lid Lock Assembly. Is your washing machine door not locking? This lid lock assembly is compatible with many top brands. It's designed to solve the problem of a damaged door switch. This assembly is the solution if your washing machine door won't lock. It's a direct replacement for the faulty part, ensuring your machine can operate correctly. This washer lid lock assembly replaces multiple OEM part numbers. You can be sure it will fit and function just like the original. Check the list to confirm compatibility. Manufactured by an ISO-certified company, this assembly is built to last. It undergoes rigorous factory testing to ensure reliability and durability. We stand behind this product with a 3-year warranty. If you encounter any issues, contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This lid lock assembly is compatible with a variety of Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, and Kenmore washers. It is made with high-quality materials and comes with a warranty. If you like a reliable product with a wide range of compatibility and a warranty, you should consider this. What people say. Fits perfectly. Installed within about 15 minutes and works like it should now. Whirlpool washer lock fit perfectly and now the machine cycles correctly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.